Yo, what's up YouTube? I'm Matt, and this is my brother Jeff. In today's video, we will be doing a scientific video. We will be using vinegar, and as you have guessed, we are using baking powder. We will be making the most common experiment that YouTubers do, but we will be making a big explosion. And be sure to smash the like button and subscribe, because this is gonna be really bad. Okay? So first we're gonna start off with the baking powder. So if you guys want to try this at home, get the Calumet double acting baking powder. So my brother's gonna pour all this baking powder in. Sister, could you please zoom in? And this is my sister's last day with you guys until like Christmas.
Really?
Yeah. In YouTube. So, and this is not enough for an explosion. Okay? So we're gonna add some more. Okay.
Should have gotten a tinier bucket.
Okay. So we will be putting this inside for safety because we don't want to like kill it. So please like go right over, and I'll take the camera.
Ready?
3, 2. No, wait. I need a drum roll. Someone give me a drum roll. Okay.
Drum roll, please.
In 3, 2. The moment you guys have all been waiting for. 1.
Don't use all of it.
Whoa! Whoa! Dude! Oh! Dude, you guys can hear the noise. It sounds like the ocean. Let's just dump this off the top. Let's do it. Okay. Could you hold
God,
the
it's
camera?
leaking.
It's okay.
Oh,
Hold
it's
it.
leaked.
Hold it.
Oh my God, guys.
You can focus it in. Jeff, this is the moment of truth. Let's do this. Wait, zoom in on my sister. Okay. Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Dude,
I can't see
that's
anything.
insane. Dude, I just threw it off the top. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll be right over. Oh my gosh, dude, that was insane. That was insane. That's insane, bro. Oh my gosh. Okay, so my brother went inside. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to wait. What? Oh, okay. So I'm gonna throw this so that I have more power. This is gonna be so awesome. We're gonna be using a bomb. Okay.
No, let me do it.
Okay, I'm gonna be down here for the effect. Throw as hard as you can, Jeff. Throw there. There's a hose right there.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, do it! Whoa! Oh, dude, the top went like off. I'm using my phone, so the camera quality is not that good, but okay. Oh. Dude, there's like no more water in this. Okay. So, thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Okay. Bye.